screen, and you just messed up now. Yep.
It's just basically ignoring him. As long as you ignore him, that's when he does it.
Yeah, keep talking, Nick.
Nick.
It's really hard. I can't just talk to myself. I'm sorry. So what you're saying, you just gotta put this into that. Yeah, that's little.